Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Modern Warfare 3. Whenever you playing the game, you got a packet loss. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to adjust in-game settings. To do this, you just need to open up Modern Warfare 3 and go to settings. Click on this icon and select the graphics and it will be open up graphics settings. First, you need to lower the graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. Next, in quality, you just need to ensure that VSync is disabled as it can sometimes cause input lag. And after doing this, just go to display and restart shaders preloading. Click on it and you will be get the option to restart. Select the restart option. And after doing this, this will clear the shader cache guys. Then go to quality and in here you need to change some settings guys. In VRAM scale target you just need to set to 60. And after doing this, next under the details and texture, you can able to see the option on demand texture streaming. You just need to turn it off. And after that, you just need to select the yes option to disable the texture streaming guys. And then local texture streaming quality, click on the drop down and set to normal. And upscaling sharpening, you just need to turn it off. After turning off, if you are using NVIDIA GPU, you will find the option low latency plus boost. In quality, you just need to turn it on guys. After turning on, you just need to go to under the environment, set the weather grid volumes to low, select the low, and after selecting it, you just need to select apply settings and select the apply option, and that will be save changes guys. And then you just need to restart the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use forwarding ports. To do this, go to search menu and type Windows Defender Firewall with advanced settings. Click on open it. Select the inbound rules and select the new rule. Select port and select next. Select TCP and check my video description for this TCP code. Just copy and paste it. And select next. Select allow the connection, next, and name it as MW3 port 1. Click on finish and again select the new role and select port and select next. Select UDP and check my video description for this UDP code. Just copy with the Ctrl C and paste with the Ctrl V and select next. Select next, and name it as MW3 port 2 and select finish. After doing this, you just need to select the outbound rules. You need to do the same thing guys. I'm gonna do it fast. Select the new role, select port and select next. Copy the TCP code, paste it, next, allow the connection, select next, and now type here MW3 outbound OUTBOUND. Click on finish and again select the new role and select port and select next. Select UDP and copy the UDP port and just paste here and select next and select allow the connection and select next. Type here MW3 outbound BOUND UDP. Click on finish. After doing this, just to close stuff here and launch the Modern Warfare 3 and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution, guys. The third solution is to reset the network connection using CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. Copy with the Control C and paste with the Control V. After finishing all these commands, you need to restart your PC, guys. Just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.